Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to save video from VLC to gallery iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To save a video from VLC to your iPhone gallery, follow these straightforward steps. Begin by opening the VLC Media app. Navigate to the video section, located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Press and hold on your preferred video until the sharing options appear. Tap on the share option and scroll down to find Save Video. Choose the top Save Video and confirm by tapping OK. By following these steps, you can easily save a video from VLC to your iPhone gallery. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.